In this video, I'm going to show you how to change currency in IBKR Desktop. Now, there's actually two ways of doing this. The first one is just to basically go into IBKR Desktop and actually converting your existing funds by right-clicking on them over here and then changing them to a different currency. So here I have euros. I can right-click here on my simulated trading account, so paper money, and I can click on convert currency. Of course, you can do this when you are on your real live account as well. I'm just showing you this with my simulated account, and then here you want to convert from, for example, euros, and then here the currency I want. You could do whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and just find USD, and then you can select however much you want, and you can just go ahead and, for example, type in 100 or 1000. It's going to load in how much you'll get, and then after a few seconds, when this refreshes over here, there we go, you'll be able to submit your conversion order, and that's all you have to do to change the currency. However, there's also one more way, and you can do this inside your client portal. And if you want to know how to basically do that inside your client portal, I do have a separate tutorial, and make sure you go watch that, and that will basically change the base currency of your account, and that's actually basically kind of a bit of a different thing. So the easiest way to do this, to change currency, is that way. But if you want to change your base currency of the entire account, then you can go watch my other video on how to do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.